Hello everyone. Did you know that YouTube Faceless videos is the latest craze? These videos consist of a voiceover, simple footage, and basic editing. Here are a few YouTube Faceless video channels. This one is Elon Musk Fan Zone. It has 1.1 subscribers, almost 200 million views, and it generates thousands of dollars per month. Another one is the AI Grid. It has 89.7 subscribers, just over 12 million views, and it's pulling in between $76 to over $1,000 per month. That's not bad. The tool that I want to show you that easily and quickly creates these faceless YouTube videos is called Invideo AI. This is a tutorial. All you have to do is click the link in the description and it will take you to the Invideo AI sign up page. You can join using your Gmail account, or you can use another email and create yourself an account. Once you've done that, simply log in and you'll be presented with your dashboard. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the niche latest tech news. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to open a new tab in my web browser, and I'm going to type in latest tech news and search for an article for the niche that I've chosen. Here's one. Let's click on that one, and I'm going to choose this one here. New flaw in Apple devices led to spyware infection. Let's click on that. So this becomes my reference article. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now, as a first-time user, the first thing that you want to do is go to Select Workflow and select Recent Events Video. You'll be presented with this dialog box. Under Create a Recent Video About, I'm going to type in new flaw in Apple's devices led to spyware infection. Of course, you can copy and paste that in from your reference article website. And under Search the News and also Check, I'm going to paste in here the URL of this reference article. So I'm going to copy and paste that in right there. Under Settings, I'm going to choose a gender. I'm going to choose a male. Under any voice, I'm going to change Clear American Voice. Then click Continue. You have a starting point for your prompt. Now you can modify what's in this prompt. I'm going to add something in here. I'm going to add make the length of the video 3 minutes. Then click Generate a Video. Invideo AI will analyze the reference article. It will summarize that article. Once that's done, it will go out and find 2 more articles and summarize those as well. Once the process is done, Invideo AI will ask you a few more questions. You can select your audience. I'm going to leave mine at tech enthusiast. You may see something different up here. For example, general public. But since I'm making a video about latest tech news, I'm going to keep this at tech enthusiast. You can also select your look and feel. I'm going to keep this at minimalist modern, and the platform will be YouTube. Then click Continue to create your video based on all of the information you provided. So here's the video. Let's play some of it and see what it sounds like and looks like.
Imagine your most private conversations, your personal photos, your sensitive data, all falling into the wrong hands without your knowledge. This is not a dystopian fiction, but a recent reality for some Apple device users. An unsettling scene unfolded recently when researchers at Citizen Lab stumbled upon a shocking discovery. They found a new flaw in Apple's devices that led to an unexpected and unwelcome guest: spyware. This wasn't just any spyware, but one linked to the Israeli firm NSO, a company notorious for its potent surveillance tools. Now here's where it gets even more concerning. This flaw didn't just affect outdated devices or those running old software. No, it compromised iPhones running the latest version of iOS, and it did so without any interaction from the unsuspecting victims. One such victim was an employee of a Washington-based civil society group. Their Apple device was infiltrated, exposing their personal information, their work data, their private life, all without their slightest inkling.
Okay, I think that's very impressive. You will most likely want to make some adjustments to your video, but based on what I've seen so far, any adjustments or modifications that I make to this video will be few. There are 3 ways to modify your video. The first way is if you come up to this plus symbol here and click on that, and you can simply change the audience. For example, if I change from tech enthusiasts, say, to cybersecurity professionals, or if I change the look and feel, say, from minimalist to, say, professional, then what Invideo AI will do, it will recreate the entire video. But I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to click off of that. The second way to modify the video is to select Edit. Click on the Edit button. You can edit the script. This allows you to go in and manually make modifications to the script. So if you see anything in here that you want to change, you simply click on that portion and then you just type in what you want to change. The third way is Edit Media. Now on this video, there are 3 scenes. 1, 2, and 3. Let's say if I want to change the video on this first scene. I would edit Media, then select Scene 1, then I can either upload my own video or use the media library, and I'm going to type in AI, hit the enter key, and some stock footage should come up. And let's say if I want to replace that, let's choose this one and select Replace, and it replaces that. Then click Apply. Give it a few moments to make the changes. And let's play it and see if it's something that I want to keep.
Imagine your most private conversations, your personal photos, your sensitive data, all falling into the wrong hands without your knowledge. This is not a dystopian fiction, but a recent reality for...
Okay, that looks pretty good. Another powerful feature within Invideo AI is to use the command prompt to modify your video. So by clicking on this, you can either delete a scene, you can make this scene half as long, it's too wordy, change the current stock to a video drone shot of a forest, or add your own. In this example, I'm going to ask Invideo AI to change the music to something more dramatic. And click Generate. And give it a few moments to make the changes. Let's give it a listen.
Imagine your most private conversations, your personal photos, your sensitive data, all falling into the wrong hands without your knowledge. This is not a dystopian fiction, but a recent reality.
That sounds good. I'm going to ask it to change the voiceover. Change voiceover to sound like Morgan Freeman. Click Generate. Let's give it a listen.
Imagine your most private conversations, your personal photos, your sensitive data, all falling into the wrong hands without your knowledge. This is not a dystopian fiction, but a recent reality for some Apple device users. An unsettling scene unfolded recently when researchers at Citizen Lab...
Okay, it's not exactly like Mr. Morgan Freeman, but it lowered the voice, the bass, inflection. I accept that. There's another modification that I recommend that you do to all of your videos. Your video introduction is the most important part of the video. Within the first 30 seconds of your video, viewers decide if they'll watch your video or not. So you want to make sure your intro is more engaging. If you can hold their attention for that initial 30 seconds, there's a very good chance they will watch the rest of your video. A view only counts if someone has watched your video for at least 30 seconds. Let me show you how you can do that. So I am going to instruct Invideo AI, make the first scene more fast-paced. So let's click generate. Let's give it a listen.
Imagine your most private conversations, your personal photos, your sensitive data, all falling into the wrong hands without your knowledge. This is not a dystopian fiction, but a recent reality for some Apple device users.
So far, so good. So the last thing that you want to do to your video is to add an outro and a call to action to subscribe. So I'm going to instruct Invideo AI to add another scene at the end of the video saying something like, "Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and until next time," and click generate. Notice here it's adding a fourth scene. Let's check it out.
Imagine your most private conversations, your personal photos, your sensitive data, all falling into the wrong hands without your knowledge. We want to make a quick call to action. As we've discussed, staying informed is one of the best ways to protect yourself from potential cyber threats. And that's where we come in. Our goal is to bring you the most relevant and up-to-date tech news so you can stay ahead of the curve. We delve into the nitty-gritty of tech happenings, just like this Apple spyware scare, to help you understand what's going on and what you can do about it. If you appreciate this kind of content and want to stay informed, we invite you to join our community. Please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications so you never miss a video. Not only will you be taking a step towards enhancing your digital security, but you'll also be supporting us in our mission to educate and empower. Thank you for your time, and remember, in this digital age, knowledge is not just power, it's protection. So stay safe, stay updated, and stay tuned for more tech insights. Until next time.
Not bad at all. So the video is complete. All you have to do now is click the back button, then click on the blue export button, and you can select your export resolution. You can select the type of watermarks, either the stock watermarks or the no watermarks, and select the Invideo AI branding, normal, subtitle, or none. Pay attention at this text right here. In my case, I'm being told I've used 27 of 40 iStock licenses. This video requires 7 more. Resets in 28 days. Then click continue. Once you click continue, your video will download to your computer. You can try Invideo AI for free, but you will have the watermarks on your videos. I highly recommend that you sign up for one of their paid plans, and you can get a paid plan for as little as $20 per month. That's a pretty good deal. I have the link to Invideo AI in the description. Please click on that. It's an affiliate link. And please let me know what you think of Invideo AI in the comments. And if you like this tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.